Hey NSTU members, parents, and allies of public education. As you know, there are still 60 of our colleagues fighting to have their NSTU rights and memberships restored. Last year, an arbitrator ruled that the McNeil government illegally removed specialists like speech-language pathologists, school psychologists, and social workers from the Nova Scotia Teachers Union. The arbitrator ordered that the union memberships and rights of these individuals be restored fully and immediately. Unfortunately, government continues to defy the law while these specialists are left in limbo and chaos. I urge you to take a moment and visit actforeducation.ca and scroll to the bottom of the homepage where you can find a draft letter to the Premier and Minister of Labour Relations that can be sent by filling out a few short fields. I encourage you to send a message to the Premier and Minister of Labour Relations that it's time to work with the Nova Scotia Teachers Union in the best interests of students. Thank you for your action. In solidarity, Paul Wozney, President, Nova Scotia Teachers Union.